subscribe to my channel, and also press this bell icon.
Hello amazing guys, today we shall discuss one more trick, 1 minute trick here. Let us consider these are the two pulleys, and this is a block mg and this is block mg, this is a block 4mg, and these are the strings which are making certain angle theta. So this is tension T here, this is tension T here, this is going to be tension T, this is going to be same tension. So single string, so tensions are string T and T. So for this, in this direction, what is the component for this tension? That is T cos theta. For this tension, it is also called as T cos theta. So T cos theta and T cos theta, it is going to be 2T cos theta upwards. And what is acceleration? In which direction acceleration is there? So acceleration is downwards here. A dash is downwards here. If you consider this block and this block, tensions and accelerations are in the same direction. So here angle theta is going to be 0 here. But in the middle block, tension is upwards, whereas acceleration A dash, which is different from these two, is downwards here. In this direction, acceleration and tensions are same direction. In this block here, accelerations are tensions are in the opposite direction. So here angle is 180 degrees, here angle is theta is equal to 0 degrees, here angle theta is equal to 0 degrees. So what is the basic concept from which we are going to derive an equation here? So the basic concept is T dot A is equal to 0. Algebraic sum of tensions and accelerations of the blocks in any system is going to be 0 here. So if you consider these two blocks first, tension and acceleration are in the same direction. So finally, T dot A is equal to TA cos 0, which will become plus TA. So here also same thing, plus TA you will get here. But in the middle block, 2T cos theta is upwards, acceleration is downwards here. So if this is the condition, what are you going to do now? So 2T cos theta dot A, 2T cos theta dot A. So how much will become? 2T cos theta is upwards and dot A is downwards, which will become 2T cos theta into A dash cos 180. So the answer will become minus 2T cos theta into A dash. So this value and this value, if you substitute here, how much you are going to get? How much you are going to get here? Let us see. So here TA and TA, you'll write like that, TA plus TA, you'll write here. And this is going to be minus 2T cos theta into A dash is equal to 0. Okay, so A dash is equal to 0. Then what is the relation? So TA will become 2TA minus 2T cos theta into A dash is equal to 0. So 2T can common out and cancel. These two are getting cancelled here. So A is equal to, this goes to right side, becomes A dash cos theta. So therefore, A dash is equal to A by cos theta. So we got the relation between A dash and A, that is A dash is going to be A by cos theta here. Okay, so I'm writing this final relation here. Sometimes, for example, if theta is given 37 degrees in this case, you can find out the relation between A dash and A. So A dash is equal to A by cos 37, that is cos 37 is nothing but 4 by 5. So you can write A by 4 by 5, which is equal to 5A by 4. So therefore A dash will become 5A by 4 here. So this is the final equation we are going to get. So this is a very simple technique where we are going to explain in less than 5 minutes. Thank you very much, you amazing guys.